Hey, today I will be taking you behind the scenes of my latest small shooting that I've done for my video, and which one exactly that is, I mean this. Yeah, all of this for just one stupid camera? And this will be a behind the scenes tour, and we will actually start with the actual storyboarding of that small little scene. So without further ado, let's get into it. And I have actually set this up on a small tripod, and we are going to draw some of the scenes that I actually need so that I have a reference for how the shot is composed and how it should actually look in the film beforehand, so that I actually know what I'm doing while shooting. I typed everything out before I actually went into drawing the small storyboard, and since this is a night shoot, we actually have to wait quite a bit until around 5 o'clock, until it's getting dark outside and I can actually begin shooting and setting up the lights and stuff. So I guess we'll see us in a couple of hours. Until then. So we are actually ready to shoot the first scene, and the first scene will actually be me sitting at a desk, sleeping, and then suddenly waking up because there is a loud bang. And I've set up a 3-point lighting system here, which consists of the key light, the light that will set the mood for the whole scene, and a rim light that gives me that nice glow on the face. Yes, I think we're ready. Let's get into it. Maybe I'll incorporate a second shot as well, we'll see that. I need to grab the phone with a bit more. Try number 3. Yeah, I actually like that. So let's get on with scene number 2. So scene number 2 is pretty simple as well. It's just a camera change and a close-up of me picking up the actual phone. I already said where my focus should actually be around here, so that the phone gets into focus as soon as I pull it in front, so that you concentrate yourself on not the hand but the phone itself. So let's get rolling. Okay, that was good. Now we can actually take part 3 directly. This will be me putting on, well, in that case it is shot 4, but I will actually start the flashlight so that I can see in the dark, and we'll be doing that once more because I'm not satisfied. Let's do it once more. Yeah, much better. But I'm not sure if my camera just picked that up because I think it lost its power right now. So the next shot will be scene number 4, which is shot from the other side, actually looking at the phone, while I'll switch on the flashlight into the room itself so that you can see what's actually happening, but it will be blurred. A bit of tweaking with the camera and setting up the stuff a bit different, and then let's go. So I actually finished all the arrangements, and now I am actually shooting the close-up scene of the phone, turning on the flashlight from the other side. So without further ado, here we go. So this will be the next scene, the scene where I actually begin standing up and walking slowly towards the camera and into my, let's call it room, or let's call it a floor, and I'll be walking there slowly, expecting nothing. What is going to happen? What was that loud noise? Where did that come from? And I will be walking straight to the camera so that I can actually cut when it goes black to black and switch the perspective so that the room seems to be larger. Okay, with the fifth try I actually got what I wanted. So let's change the setting once more, and we'll actually do another shot from the other side, me walking towards the door. See you soon. And in this scene we'll be actually, or I will be actually using my trusted gimbal for the very first time, because I want to have some revealing shot of me walking to the door, and this could be potentially looking really good. One main problem that I have with the gimbal itself is that I have to actually disconnect most of the stuff that I have on my camera, because the problem is it is overweight and oversized, and the gimbal can handle the camera in its bare bone configuration with the cage on it, but not with the monitor and the shotgun mic and so on. So I actually have to disassemble it right now, and then we'll get to the next shot. Yay! So to actually get this shot I have to change a few settings on the camera and on the gimbal. I want the gimbal to be in auto rotation mode, and I have to actually change it to be faster than 10 seconds that I have actually right now installed. So I will change that to 5, and then I will set the positions of the gimbal to the floor and then a bit up, so that when I walk through the thing it makes a smooth pan upwards. This could have been it. So the next shot will actually be me looking scared coming through this door and trying to act like hell what is going on outside of my room. Let's go. Hello? So this could actually right now be a really fun scene, because this is a scene where I come back into the room and actually not realize what is happening until I turn around, and then it's the ultimate evil, sort of, I guess. And I hope I can actually, with my acting talents, bring that over quite convincingly. We'll see. Let's go. Whoa! I actually like that scene. Now we get the reveal what am I actually looking at, and this will be my small, whatever that is called, cleaning robot in English, in German, Saugroboter. So, it will be a gimbal shot as well, and we will be panned towards him, and then let's see, maybe I'll even go, maybe I'll not go with the gimbal, but actually go with the pan lens to have a dramatic shift. So, we'll see. It's fun to make that. Whoopee. Oh, but there's one small problem. I need the camera for it, so there won't be. Maybe I'll change to my iPhone. Let's see. So I will try to actually shoot the robot with the camera on it coming towards me, and then rack zoom it with the 24-105 lens from Canon. I hope this actually works. I don't know, I've never tried it. Let's go! So the next shot will be me actually grabbing the camera and pulling it up in first person, so you will only see my hand like this, grabbing the camera, pulling it up, to actually see what the hell is going on with the camera on the robot. One of those would be good. So the last shot will be pretty easy. It's another gimbal, not gimbal, it's another tripod shot, and we will actually just have everything that I have disassembled in the beginning put back together onto the camera itself. We will have one shot that is actually just looking at the camera, and there will be a message on it. This will be tracked afterwards in After Effects, and then we will have a reaction from me onto the message, and that's the final shot. Pretty easy. Took about 2 hours, I guess, and was quite fun actually to make. So let's go. Yeah, stupid me. I'm actually sorry, I forgot to actually record the last 2 parts with the phone. So I'm going, after this small interlude, I'm going to nod my head against the wall a couple of times for you. I'm sorry. But you can actually watch the short film instead, so I guess that's okay as well. Thank you very much for watching. Then if you have any questions, go down in the comments. Tell me what you want, I will read it and probably answer it. And if there's anything else you want to know, write it down there as well. If you haven't subscribed, then please consider subscribing. That would actually help the channel very much. Give me a thumbs up if you want to. And it was really fun making this behind the scenes. So without further ado, until the next video, my name was Leech. And yeah, goodbye.